Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about Numpy array. So first, we are discussing about the basic difference of array and list in Python. So lists are built-in Python data type in Python that can hold elements of different data types. They are mutable, meaning their elements can be modified after creation. Lists can contain duplicate elements and they are flexible in size. On the other hand, arrays are a data structure provided by the Numpy library in Python. They can hold elements of the same data type and are designed for numerical computations. Arrays are homogeneous, meaning all elements must be of the same data type uh, and uh, and arrays are immutable. They have fixed sizes and are optimized for mathematical operations. So let's see some examples. First, in this code, we are start by importing the NumPy library using the import NumPy as input statement. This allows us uh, to use NumPy functions and objects in our code. So first we define a Python list called li containing integers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we use np.array function to create NumPy array, NumPy arr from the Python list li. This function converts the Python list into a NumPy array, and at last we print the NumPy array, NumPy arr using the print function. The output of the code will be the NumPy array 1, 2, 3, 4, which is printed in the console, and NumPy arrays are printed without commas between elements, uh, which distinguish them from Python list. In the next example, we basically define three lists: list 1, list 2, and list 3, each containing four integer elements. We use NumPy's np.array function to create a multi-dimensional array called sample array. And this array is created by passing a list of lists, list 1, list 2, and list 3 as an argument to np.array. Each inner list becomes a row in the resulting 2D array. At last, we print the sample array using the print function, and the output of the code will be multi-dimensional array represented in rows and columns. And list in Python, basically we saw the lists in Python versatile data structure that can hold elements of different data types and sizes. They are flexible but may not offer optimal performance for numerical computations. On the other hand, NumPy arrays are specialized data structure designed for numerical computations. They offer efficient storage and operations on large multidimensional data sets, and making them suitable for tasks such as scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. We will see it later. On the if we proceed in the next example, we use np.ones to create a 2D array filled with ones. The first argument 4, comma 3 specifies the shape of the the shape of the array with 4 rows and 3 columns, and we specify the data type of the array elements as np.int32 using the data type d type parameter. This ensures that each element in the array is represented as a 32-bit integer, and we specify the order of the array as if the Fortran order using the order parameter. Fortran order means that the elements are stored column wise in memory, which can be advantageous for some numerical computations. The output of the code will be a 2D array filled with ones with dimensions 4 cross 3, and each element represented as a 32-bit integer. In the next example, we basically use the np zeros to create a 2D array filled with zeros. First argument 4 comma 3 specifies the shape of the array with 4 rows and 3 columns. We specify the data type of the array elements as np.int32 using the the data type parameter. This ensures that each element in the array is represented as a 32-bit integer. Previous we saw. Uh, we specify the order of the array as f, I mean the Fortran order, as the previous example, using the order parameter. Fortran order means that the elements are stored in column wise in memory, and the output of the code will be 2D array filled with zeros with dimensions 4 cross 3, and each of the elements represented as a 32-bit integer. I mean, the np.zeros function is useful for creating arrays initialized with zeros, which can be handy for initializing placeholders for data or initializing matrices for numerical computations. So, in this tutorial, we saw of four examples of the NumPy array. Thank you, guys.